And now I would like to welcome Ashish Sikka. He is the director SMB at Lenovo. Welcome to this conversation, Ashish. So I will leave this conversation to you too. But before that, I have one last question for both of you here. What are the challenges faced by the industry in 2021? Is there any innovation that we see, and how do we get prepared for the upcoming years? Over to you, Neeraj and Ashish.
So I think my exposure was pretty much limited to what we did in fintech space. But in general, if you talk about the challenges, pretty much it's known to everyone because of COVID. It has given an external motivation, I think, to the people to shift to a different kind of working style, to shift to a different kind of tools that you use in industry. And I think that has been working pretty well. Without that, I think working from home or coming up with some hybrid model where people can work from anywhere in this world and yet be productive and can deliver similar kind of results would have been very difficult to imagine, because change is something comes with risk, and not people, everybody is not open to take that kind of risk. But since because of COVID there was no other option, I think everyone did well. So that's the, I think, most challenging stuff, I would say. From from fintech perspective, I think a lot of companies now trying to make investing or banking experience simple for the Indians. That is, I think, that is good thing. You would have heard in the news this year the number of unicorns in the first quarter of the year were more than the number of unicorns in the last year itself. So that's a good indicator of how technology is evolving, how startups are coming and changing people's life.
Thank you for answering that, Neeraj. Over to you, Ashish.
Yeah, so Dimple, similar to what Neeraj was saying, I think the world is moving towards that. How do we enable ease of living for everyone? And I think, as Neeraj mentioned, a lot of fintech companies are helping ease how do you invest and maybe retire beautifully whenever you do that. Similarly, we are working on how do we enable more and more organizations to achieve that right balance of work from office and work from home. Like we called it the hybrid work environment. Some people call it the new normal. I think it would be very different from what we have seen in the past, because organizations expect the same degree of collaboration, while the employees expect independence and working from anywhere in the country, or in some cases now people are also talking about that if they want to be outside India, but how can they work for India? So that is something which is very interesting, and a lot of innovation you can expect in that space. And yeah, I think the other one Neeraj rightly mentioned, the Indian startup ecosystem is definitely going through a big change. We are seeing a lot of fund flow, and more than that, I think we are seeing a lot of innovation. And Grow is one of the perfect examples of that. I personally use it. The ease of the user experience which is there is just amazing as compared to others. Yeah. So.
Right.
Thank
So
you.
thank you, Neeraj, and thank you, Ashish.